People always ask me the same question: do you really need an expensive polish to remove scratches? Today, I'm finally putting that question to the test. I have a cheap polish and a premium polish, and we're going to compare them side by side on the same car door. Before we start, let's make sure this test is as fair as possible. Both sides will be polished using the same machine, the same pad, the same speed settings, and the same amount of working time. The only thing changing today is the polish itself. The cheap polish spreads easily across the surface. It feels smooth and produces very little dust. So far, first impressions are actually pretty good. Now let's switch to the premium polish. This product costs significantly more, so expectations are naturally higher. Let's see if the results justify the price difference. At first glance, both sides look fantastic. The paint looks glossy. Reflections appear sharper. And most of the visible defects seem to be gone. But this is the moment that really matters. Under proper inspection lighting, we can see what's actually been corrected and what's simply being hidden. This side still shows some remaining scratches, while this side appears noticeably cleaner and more refined. So, would I pay extra for the premium polish? That's a question every detailer will answer differently. But now you've seen the results for yourself. Let me know which side you prefer in the comments.